At the Mines and Money Conference, I'm with Mike Davies, who is a CFO of Gran Colombia. So Mike, talk to us about Segovia operations, which I understand is the focus.
Yeah, Segovia is one of the core assets of Gran Colombia. It's doing about 84% of our production this year. It's an asset we bought 6 years ago. We've produced over 500,000 ounces of gold since we bought it from Segovia. It's a high-grade, underground set of mines that have been in operation for over 150 years.
Now, talk to us about what's going on within Colombia right now. How does it affect Gran Colombia?
Colombia is going through an issue with the government trying to legalize, socialize small and artisanal miners. A lot of them, by background, being illegal mining. They put a new decree in September to continue this push forward to try to get illegal miners and small miners to have proper permits, licenses, certificates of origin for their product. There's some cooperatives of these small miners, a lot of them backed by illegal groups that don't want to move forward with that.
Right.
And so they're trying to exert pressure on the government, and in our case, we're sort of caught in the middle. As a major producer in the Antioquia district, there are a lot of illegal miners there. As of last week, they started blockading some of the streets, making it difficult for our employees to get to work, putting some fear of personal security. So we've seen less employees come to work. We're not halted. We're continuing to produce. We're still shipping gold. But we're working closely with the government, who's put some security forces in the area to keep it calm. We understand that today there's meetings going to be held between the government and between these groups to try to negotiate a peace to this. We understand that our workers are going to start to go back to work later this week. So we're monitoring it. We're hoping it's going to work out. We're hoping that everything stays safe. It's in the best interest, I think, of everybody to get back to work, but it's a challenge.
Right. So besides what's going on, and I hope that gets solved very quickly, what's the financials like for the company currently?
We're in the 6 years that I've been with Gran Colombia since the beginning, since the 6 years that we've had it, we're having our best year yet.
Awesome.
We did 117,000 ounces of gold in 2015. We're looking at 135,000 to 145,000 this year. So very happy with our progress in our mining operations. Again, most of that coming from Segovia. That's where we're putting our investment. When gold fell in 2013, fortuitously, we'd already started on a program to reduce cost. So 2013, 2014, and even into 15, that was our focus. And so what we're seeing now is, an all-in sustaining cost of $800 an ounce. That's right in there with all the top companies in the mining industry. And with that, we're generating very solid EBITDA results this year. And we're turning the company around. We've got some free cash flow. We're dedicating that free cash flow to paying down our corporate debt that we restructured earlier this year. So fundamentals of the company are improving, and we believe it's a good financial investment.
Great. And lastly, how has Mines and Money been like so far for you, and what are you excited about for the next 2 days?
Well, it was a new show. We didn't get to PDAC this year because we were just coming out of a debt restructuring, but we thought it was an opportunity to engage with investors in the Toronto market. We're really trying to get our story back out to investors that, stopped following us during the debt restructuring in 2015. So it's really about outreach. We're finding that we're getting some good dialogue with people. We're getting a lot of people recognizing we're undervalued, and hopefully they'll start following us and seeing that this consistent improvement is for real.
Thank you so much, Mike.
You're welcome.
For more Mines and Money videos, make sure to watch smallcappower.com.